We are Vocal Mix!
You know what amazed me mas lalo? Nagpapakiramdaman sila, correct? Alam,
Walang sapawan.
Oo, tinimplahan nyo na maayos. Sobrang hirap gawin nyo na, tapos ganyan kayo kadami.
Sarap ng bar na sinet nung acapella group na yun ng kids. And hindi ako na-surprise na 4 na chairs yung nag-turn because it was really a standout performance.
Pag-isipan yung mabuti kasi...
Gusto ko din sabihin sa inyo, kung sino man piliin nyo, they will guide you properly.
Yeah.
Pero syempre, doon kayo sa pinaka may mahabang experience.
Hoy, isa ka ba?
Ay, ganun ba?
Pero I have to give it to Stel. Iba yung... Hindi experience yun, talaga smart lang talaga siya. That was, ganda na strategy niya na paano ka tatanggi doon as a group. Na talagang pinakita ni Stel yung na he really wanted it and he fought for it. And it was, I think it was a well-deserved victory for Coach Stel.